So in today's video we're going to go down to the trails and we're going to test my, my Derbi down the trails. We haven't got off-road tyres, but it's pretty dry outside today, so we should be good. We're going to meet up with a couple of people and then we're just going to go down the trails and see how it is. Wow! Currently going down the trail. It's nice and dry, which is good for Supermoto. It's nice and dry, so it's good for Supermoto tyres. I'm turning your fucking right. We're at the entrance. Halfway down. Dan, shut the fuck up, I can't hear. Wait, come up to the entrance. Just come up towards. Yeah, right next to the house. Wedding whatever. Dad, shut up! I'm gonna smash the fucking phone. Someone's a bit mad today. I think someone got a little bit too upset. Oh. This is the driest it's ever been, well, whilst I've been down here. Something dead. And there's the big rut there. I'm just gonna wait for them to run. I just went in my eye. Oh my god, I shook my voice. I can't believe he's brave enough to take his Lexus motor down here, to be fair. I mean, mine's Supermoto tyres, so, you know, and it's basically a dirt bike, so it should be fine. And then Harvey's bike's Derbi with dirt tyres, so it should be even better. But